Good morning, everybody. Today I'm coming to you from Heritage Park in Farmington Hills, and we're going to go check out the Nature Center. So why don't you guys come along and join us in our little excursion. There's a little Barbie day camp going on here today, but right now we're going into the Nature Center. Here we go. Check this out.
Hi, Moon.
This is Moon. This is Rocky.
Oh my gosh. Dad.
He just waved. This is Sandy. Oh, he just winked. Hi, Sandy. This little bird sanctuary. Usually when we're here, they're not out yet because we come here late winter and usually there's not a lot of activity here, but this is pretty cool. Do you think this is cool, Penny?
Yeah.
Can I get a yeah?
No.
Who's for dinner? This is the back of the Nature Center here, and there's about 4 miles of trails back here. We're going to go check that out soon. This is a wasp nest, black and yellow mud dauber, and we just had one of these removed from our tree recently. Here's a beehive. Here's a black bear. We have some black bear in upper Michigan, but nothing really south of like mid-Michigan, Lansing area. This is about as far down in Michigan as it goes. There's a picture of morel mushrooms. A lot of people hunt for those around here. Somebody made a nice oil painting of this Nature Center. Heading back out, and we've got a little oil painting here. Here we go down Discovery Trail. Here we go up this hill here. We don't have a lot of steep hills here, but this will be one of them. And we made it. Here's a view from the top. Okay, we're heading down the next trail, and we're gonna take this around. Man, this is a gorgeous day. Doesn't get much better than this. Wish every day could be this fun. We got a crossroads here. Which way do we go? Which way do we go? Down that path? Or down this path? Which one do you think? This is down to where the sandbox is. Kids like to play here. This historical building, they just put a new roof on it. Must have been within this past year. We haven't been here in about a year, but it's looking really nice. Everybody's working hard on cleaning stuff up here, and it looks really nice. Here's the back. Sometimes there's deer hanging around the backyard here, but we got a nice forest back here. And here's the backyard. There's a little garden area down there for rocks. They paint some rocks during the Earth Day, and we can go down there and check and see if our rock is down there. Here's the bottom of the hill here, and come down here and check out the rock garden. We haven't had any luck finding the rock yet, but we'll keep looking. It's just a nice area to hang out in. I think we found it. This is from 2 Earth days ago. And there it is. Okay, we're heading into one of the trails here. And we're not going to do all the trails today. Oh, there's a deer. Little fawn. Oh, 2 deer. They like to hang out in these areas. And they let you walk right up to them. Hi. Hello. Hello. Look how cute this one is. Hello, cutie. How are you? Oh. So this is a little pond that we come here every now and then, and we'll have a little lunch. We're not going to do the whole park today, but you get the idea. It's a really nice serene spot, other than the road traffic. But the farther you get back in these trails, it's really cool. And I'll take a video next time. So thanks for coming along with us, and have a great sober day, and just enjoy your day, enjoy your life. Talk to you soon.